Mas honorable pa dapat si street sweeper who wakes up early in the morning to ensure that the roads are clean when you go to your work. Di ba? Mas honorable pa si traffic management personnel. Risking his very life to stand in the middle of the road just to manage traffic. Mas honorable pa si barangay health worker. Every day, going house to house. Ang ratio karon 1:200. Imagine, ang politiko mo house to house lang kung eleksyon. Si barangay health worker, may eleksyon, wala, nag-monitor sa mga balay. Mas honorable pa dapat sila. That is why we're slowly removing the mindset, the perception of the people that the government is high and mighty, where in fact it is not. It should not be high and mighty. The people should be able to reach the government. When you look at my post sa Facebook, many of my supporters message me, Mayor, sobra naman eh. Grabe naman sila, wag sila respeto sa imo. Now, when you look at the comments, murag dili Mayor ilang gikomentan. But I like it that way because by doing so, it's a manifestation that they see me as reachable, as something that they can easily communicate with.